we're gonna see if we can pull a 3500 and a dirt load. Yeah, if we can film all of this and see what happens. I think it's already running. If it doesn't go in there, then let me. Oh, I know. Yeah, October. I feel like.
Probably spring.
Yeah. Welcome to Laniel Haverland Life, and I'm Poetry. It has been a crazy day of traveling and trying to get. We had a place that we were going to RV and camp. That was earlier in the day, and that fell through. Then we, last minute, trying to book another place, and we thought we booked the campsite, but we booked a pavilion. We thought the S was a 5 for Site 5, and it was actually S for something else, pavilion. And we're trying to find last minute because we're on the road. We've been driving all day. The park ranger was like, hey, I got a spot for you. It's over by the fire tower. So we're camping by a fire tower. Pretty stinky and awesome. And we are setting up camp. I got my oldest daughter, Shyla, with me and her boyfriend here. And so we're over here cooking up some stuff.
What if you like use a spoon? Where's your hand grater?
We were making burgers for camping, and before I didn't realize that the buns, because they like the sesame buns or whatever,
Yeah.
they were like $4. So this past time I was like, oh no, we're gonna get the $1.99.
We're gonna get the $1.99.
Yeah.
Nothing right now. When that's done, then I'll probably do the salmon and then the shrimp. I'm giving the shrimp as long to marinate as possible.
All right, so what you cooking up, Kristen?
I'm making a.
And this is Charlotte, our oldest daughter. Y'all have already met her. This is Mike, Charlotte's boyfriend. You already met him. We over here camping by the fire tower, and Kristen is cooking up some good stuff. What you got?
Well, I'm making.
Oh, bunch of-
I know. So short. I think Charlotte already cut herself.
Yeah.
Oh, war wound.
Oh yeah, no, you've got a first aid kit.
Yep.
And did you get a chance to wash it?
Yeah, there's some water.
Wait, we have a sink. We have a sink. There's soap
I
in
didn't want
there.
it. There was a watermelon in there.
Oh, in the bathroom.
It
Go wash it in the bathroom, please. It'll make me feel better. There's soap in the sink. Did you hook the water up, honey?
Yeah.
You did. Okay.
You have something?
Yeah. Yes, I do. There's soap in there. It will make me feel better. Way better. Yeah, okay, it's super tight. You have to pull.
Oh yeah. So pull the handle and then.
Sorry, it's probably greasy too. My hands.
So you just gotta pull
You
it
have to
to
like
click.
put your thumb here and like pull
Yeah.
this part.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very tight and it is greasy.
She said.
All right. What
You
you,
got
got?
it, you got
going
it.
on?
Okay. So today we're making like a seafood salad. So I am cooking up some salmon, and we're gonna cook up some shrimp as well. We have it marinating in garlic and herbs, salt and pepper.
Okay.
And we have a salad here. The salad is gonna have ginger and walnuts, and we're gonna put in some sesame seeds, all kinds of good stuff.
All right.
A seafood salad, we'll call it that. I think I need to flip this.
Looks good.
Together. Together. I'll do it together, Kim.
Together too. Coming up. It's the only way to do it. I'm hoping this dressing is good.
Oh, it looks
We're about to find out. Ooh.
I should bust a watermelon.
Yeah, you'll have to get a cutting board. You want to have it for dessert?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Have it for dessert.
Oh, that's right. You got out.
Right.
Look at them shrimp. Wow.
Right. So
That
good.
smells so good.
It does. They're like all brown. That's where all the juice was from the salmon.
Right.
Pass
You
it
gotta
back
pass
to
it.
me, Mom.
Okay, okay. Here you go, my dear. You get the first dinner. Oh.
Let me see.
Oh
let me see.
yeah.
Delicious.
Glistening in the sun.
It is.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay.
It is sesame ginger. So if you need more, I was gonna say less, but I can't take it off.
It's very delicious.
Oh, your plate's next, honey.
When we build it, you'll want to know exactly what you see in it, where your cooler is going to go, how you easily want that to slide in and out. A bed, if you put a platform or anything like that. So whatever you want in there, have it drawn out. Let's see.
I want it to be in that kind of style with the platform, I'm not sure too much on the window shelves yet.
Okay.
But
Like
definitely how that platform is with the pull-out drawers.
I
Like
like
that.
it. Thank you. Is ooh wee fishy loaves.
Oh, that sounds really good. You can't go
Good
wrong
for
with
like a
Aldi.
little lunch, you know.
Yeah. You should have been shrimp for last.
Yes.
And there's some more too. Oh, this is good. This is exactly what I was thinking.
So refreshing. So fresh.
Asparagus was a good idea, honey. I like a good asparagus.
Do you ever go to Lowe's or Home Depot? Next time you're in there, go in there and look at the plywood, like the sheets. So you get a general idea of what you want in there, and you kind of see what the price is. You might only need, I would say 2 sheets, but 3 sheets max of 4x8. Because you're behind the driver and passenger seat, all that space, right?
Yes.
So a sheet of plywood is about 8 feet long. So you'd have the bottom sheet, and you'd have a top sheet, and then we'll have supports on the side. Yeah, but you could do like a crazy, long pull-out drawer in there.
I want to do something because I've seen some of the builds where there's like a door or one of the sides comes out and you just have like a little area to cook. Even if it's just like a little thing that flips down.
All right, we're by the fire tower with a fire. Good morning. Had a good night's sleep. We slept very, very good. We're camping over here by this fire tower. I think as I said earlier in the video, had a whole lot of mix-ups on our camping sites, and we're just driving, trying to figure out where we're going to camp. And we had a mix-up at this place, and there was a mix-up with the reservation, and basically the place was packed. And so after a little talking, the park ranger was just so kind, and he opened up a spot over here by the fire tower, let us pull right into it. It was crazy because someone else who was camping here, they pulled up and they were like, hey, how'd you guys get that spot? And we're just like, hey, we're just thankful. Yeah, so over here by this fire tower, We got us some coffee, and we're just kind of enjoying this very nice, cool morning. All right, Kristen and I are walking this morning. We got our coffee, and we're just kind of walking the trails here, walking the park. Kind of, I think we're the only ones up right now. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's so nice out here.
it is. It's so nice. It's home.
Yeah.
It's not hot.
Yeah, it's definitely not hot. It's starting to cool off now, so you can actually enjoy this weather and just the cool morning.
Yes.
We did a campfire last night, and looks like it's starting to really go out now. That was a good campfire. We were going to try and see if we can get in here, but they got this padlock, so we're not gonna do that. They got the fence and gate locked up.
If Sean was here, he could climb it, but
Rain.
yeah. Oh, it says security camera in use.
Yeah.
Although I don't know
They
where.
got a lock here, and I don't know if you can see the stairs over here.
Oh yeah, I did notice the stairs. The first set of stairs was broken.
That first set of stairs is broken, so you ain't gonna be able to get up there unless you.
Yeah, they had it blocked.
Yep.
You can climb it maybe. Is there room in that trash for the coffee grounds?
Oh yeah.
This is like the cutest trash bag ever.
Is that one from Shy Shy?
Yeah. Didn't even know they made them so tiny.
Yeah.
So cute. Oh, I meant to clean out this thing here. Did you see inside of it? Needs a little TLC.
Yeah.
A little bit. I want to dump some water on that fire too. I'll leave that not tied all the way just in case I have some more trash.
But should we see a trash place?
I thought, I don't know. That's a great question.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Poetry.
How are you?
Morning.
Oh, your dogs are so cute.
What's that?
This is Kristen, my wife.
Hello.
Yo. How'd you sleep?
Look good till these guys.
Oh.
Oh, they're early risers? Oh my goodness.
Oh. So
They
cute.
are so cute.
Oh, they're pink. Brother and sister, they're pink.
Oh man.
Wow.
Videos last night, pretty cool.
Oh,
thank you
well,
so
thank
much. We
you.
appreciate that.
Yes, appreciate it for sure.
Anything that's got that goes up is a good idea.
Well, thank you so much for watching them.
Yes.
Taking the time.
Oh, that's no problem. We did it on the TV. I did a hotspot on my phone.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Hey, thank you.
Thank
We
you, sir. I
appreciate that.
appreciate it.
That is a long driveway you got.
Oh.
It is.
Yep.
And when they were bringing your containers in, the damn 8 people get stuck.
Woo.
I used to drive trucks, but way back in the day, I'm like, ain't no way.
Right? Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Wow. Well, y'all have a great trip.
Yes,
Thank
you
you
as
so
well.
much.
Take care. You still need to get in here?
Oh, no, ma'am.
You good? Okay. All right. Packed up. Good to go. Windows closed. Check.
That was awesome. We just met up with a wonderful park camper. They had a beautiful story to tell. We talked for a couple of minutes. It was just really awesome just to meet people who just experiencing life or know that there's different ways of living, different ways of enjoying this life that we have all been given. And just, yeah, it was wonderful. It was really good talking with them and met the wonderful gentleman, met the wonderful wife. They're out here traveling and just enjoying nature, so that was really awesome. So we got to camp out by this awesome, cool fire tower. We're gonna go ahead and pull out of here and hit the road and continue to enjoy the journey. All right, we're back at headquarters. Thank you so much for watching Lanil Haviland Life, and we'll see you next episode.